kambuni 2020 irireketie gwikanira ngirimiti ya unyitaniri na kiama giki thiini wa thi. Unyitaniri uyu ukite o riri kambuni ino irehariria kurekeria riboti igi mirutire yao ya wira na uria iratanya.
1,000 global corporates that stand for a sustainable practices that ensure we are looking forward to an environment that is conducive for doing business sustainably, as well as an environment that ensures that we can be here and operating our businesses successfully for the future.
As was mentioned by our group CEO, Old Mutual has been here for 180 years, and you don't get to reach 180 years if you don't already have sustainability baked into the way that you do things, in the way you look at your customers, the way you look at the solutions that you put out. I think we are facing a global existential crisis that calls for all of us to participate in addressing the needs of our communities, in addressing the crisis that our planet is facing, and also lifting up our industries in terms of integrity.
Being a UN initiative, we also have a mandate to mobilize the global business community to contribute to global sustainability goals such as the SDGs as well as the Climate Paris Agreement. Today we're here at Old Mutual, really excited to witness Old Mutual joining the UN Global Compact as one of companies that are joining a global initiative of companies that are committed to doing business responsibly, aligned to global values. And this really is a testament of the business leadership and the foresight that the company has to contribute to our global sustainable development.
Na tugithie na mbere, thirikari ni iranĩire gũteithĩrĩria bamĩrĩ makĩria maigana iria iratigirwo itarĩ na ũikaro thutha wa nyũmba ciao kwabanĩrio nĩ mwaki mũthĩ wa ira gĩcagi-inĩ kĩa Mũkuru kwa Njenga gũkũ Nairobi. Na akiaria hĩndĩ ya gũcerera bamĩrĩ ici, Minister wa ũruti wĩra wa mũingĩ na tabarĩra cia mwanya Joyfrey Roko nĩ iranĩire gũteithia bamĩrĩ ici na indo ta mĩkondoro, ũndũ ũmwe na kũmateithĩrĩria kwamũkĩra maratathi ma mabata ta certificate, ũndũ ũmwe na maratathi mangĩ.
Wale ambao wamekuwa na biashara, wale wamepoteza vitu kama
documents.
Na rais wa jamhuri akaniambia ya kwamba wewe ndio waziri wa special program. Nataka asubuhi mapema uende Mukuru kwa Njenga. Si ndio? Ukuje saa 2 unipatie report. Wale watu walichomekewa ni wangapi? Wanahitaji nini? Si ndio hiyo? Hiyo ndio maana niko hapa. Tunapaswa kupigia rais makofi. Tano tena. Kama sio rais nisingefika hapa. Mimi ningekuwa ningelala mpaka saa 1 leo. Halafu niamke niende kwa ofisi, niambie secretary nipatie chai nikunywe.
Watu ambao wamechomekewa hapa, suluhu naweza kuwasaidia ni kuhakikisha kwamba wamepata zile nyumba affordable housing ambazo wanalipa levy, na pia kuna document ambazo wamepoteza. Singine ni za shule, singine ni birth certificates, singine ni document zile zote zinahitajika. Wapewe free of charge, wasichajiwe juu. Mapping ikifanyika, wakichukuliwa document zao, utajua ni nani alikuwa na shida. Na pia haitoshi kwamba kurudishiwa nyumba ndio kukaa, maisha yake imeharibika kabisa. Wawekewe relief fund, wanaweza chukua hata miezi 3 wakijenga maisha yao. Pesa ambao wanaweza pewa, wengine waendelee na biashara na waendelee na kujisustain. Ni Wakenya na tunawapenda.
Na tugetigana na icio cia Mũkuru kwa Njenga, kambuni itiganĩte cia kĩmabũrũri no ithiĩte na mbere na gũtheremia motungata macio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ica-inĩ ikuhĩ. Ũũ nĩ thutha wa kambuni ya Emirates Logistics kwanĩrĩra mũbango wa kwandandũra mĩhang'o yayo mwena wa Tatu City Roiro, kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu. Wabici ĩno ĩgĩtanywo gũtungatĩra mũingĩ wa gĩtarũ gĩa Sub-Saharan Africa. kune mwena wa Tatu City. Tokere rifoti ige kuria thirikari oretio kugaina thirikari thukuru cia kothi cia moko kigina kiganu niguo mathukuru maya mahote kuoya arutwo aige. Na ritana riri rikitio ni anyitite matiganite hindi ya mabura ma kuhumbo thumbi kwa arutwo 171 ya thukuru wa kothi cia moko wa Beacon of Hope guku Nairobi. Anyitemi aya makiuga kwa ihinda riri kothi cia moko iri na mieke miingi ya mawira na gukorwo na arutwo aige haria mahimbirie kothi ici noyo njira ya kuhurana wagi wa mawira.
So vocational training is one thing that can help us fast track industrialization of our economy, that can then help us to stir economic growth in this country. Other than having graduates who have completed their courses and are lying, just staying with their parents at home. And I always say there's nothing as painful to a parent than having a student who has graduated staying with you at home or doing nothing.
What we do encourage is, in fact, after 1 month in the vocational training, you can start earning money when you've done anything to do with your hands and you are passionate about it. Majority are able to start generating an income, be it in the space of hospitality, be it be in hair and beauty, in the space of plumbing and electrical. So it's a kind of opportunity that they get whereby they don't actually need to tarmac. We teach them about entrepreneurship and how they can use that skill to transform it to be an income generating for themselves. Of course, many others, as we work with industry, we ensure that they go for hands-on experience in companies where they can actually learn best practice, because we may not have all the tools that are needed, but also that discipline of working under someone.
And, my responsibility is to help look for opportunities for courses and career pathways for our students. I think one of the things I'm very passionate about is just what I call a mismatch between career choices and the reality in the market.
We also make arrangements with the industry in terms of attachments, internships, and even employments. So today I'm proud to say we have quite a number of our students who are working in the industry, both in the hospitality industry, building and construction industry, some even who are doing their own businesses. And to us that gives us joy and encouragement to pursue that strategy in training.
As we are told today that it's about steps that you put, so I want to put my steps to a higher pace and work effectively to make sure that I work hard and put more effort.
Tuthie kaunti ya Kirinyaga na gukinyanĩrio gwa tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere kaunti-inĩ ĩno nĩ kũgiritanĩtio na ngwatanĩro njega gatagatĩ ka mbunge ya Kirinyaga na thirikari ya kaunti. Kũringana na spika Muteti Mũrĩmi wa kiwa ceceni cia iganda mwena wa Sagana, ĩrĩa ikinyanĩirio nĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga ĩgũkorwo ĩkĩrehe ũgarũrũku mũnene kuona arĩmi marĩ na kũndũ gwa gũtwara magetha mao makongererwo ikĩro na makona mbeca nyingĩ. Hwenina wa Kĩarie arĩ na riboti ĩno.
Ngwatanĩro gatagatĩ ka mbunge ya Kirinyaga na thirikari ya kaunti ihinda rĩa mĩaka ĩrĩ mĩhĩtũku nĩ ciarĩte matunda mega kuona mũingĩ wa Kirinyaga nĩ wamũkĩrĩte tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere. Akiaria mwena wa Ndia, spika wa mbunge ya Kirinyaga Muteti Mũrĩmi augĩte waki wa ceceni ya iganda mwena wa Thagana ĩrĩa makinyanĩirie na thirikari ya kaunti ĩkirie kũrĩkĩrĩra na arĩmi magunĩke na njĩra nene.
The MCAs to be able to serve the people of Kirinyaga.
Muteti augĩte atongoria othe nĩ magĩrĩire gũkorwo na ũigĩrĩki wa gũtungatĩra mũingĩ na gũkinyanĩria tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere.
Atĩ nĩ tũkareha iganda ciandĩke ciana citũ, ũguo nĩguo tũreka kũrĩa Thagana na kĩndũ kĩrĩkanĩro kĩu no nginya tũhingie. Tũkĩmwĩra nĩ tũgũthondeka thoko cia magetha maitũ.
Ihinda rĩrĩ ũrugarĩ wa ũteti wambatĩrĩte gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ, atongoria nĩ mahinyĩrĩirio kũruta wĩra ũrĩa mathurĩirwo na ihinda-inĩ rĩa kambeini rĩa kinya o mũndũ akonania wĩra wake.
Tũkĩmwĩra nĩ tũrĩkinya mathibitarĩ macinani nitwerega haha kuhingura dispensary na Her Excellency the Governor to gutikwa na dispensary gugukiandai miaka mingi. So urandenda kuga ni riri otoguo mweshimwa izoiwa ithwe tweiteini. When you have an opportunity, do as if there is no tomorrow.
Muteti uria wonanitie wendi wa gutongoria gicigo kia ubunge kia Ndia mwaka-ini wa 2027 akiuria muingi kumunyitirira gucokia riri wa gicigo giki kia Ndia.
Mutunyitagirire tondu mutongoria aheanagwo ni Ngai no imaga ana mundu aheana ni Ngai akomwitiriria maguta. So tugie na wisdom ya ku make the right decision ingihota gutwara county no itu mbere na bururi uyu witu mbere. Ikifika 2027 sisi tuko kazi, ni kweli takuja tuongee na nyinyi na tukamenya barabara iria tukugera.
Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV kuma Ndia kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga, njĩtagwo Wainaina wa Kĩarie.
Nĩ ngatho Wainaina wa Kĩarie. Ataaramu a maũndũ makoniĩ kũramata nyamũ cia gĩthaka maugĩte watho ũrĩa wendekithĩtio wa kũramata nyamũ cia gĩthaka o mwaka wa 2025 ũrĩ na mĩanya mĩingĩ ĩrĩa ĩrabatara gũthingwo nĩguo kũgitĩra nyamũ cia gĩthaka. Umwe wa maũndũ marĩa ataaramu maya morete nĩ gũkuruhanio gwa thirikari cia kaunti harĩ ũramati wa nyamũ cia gĩthaka, makiuga ikinya rĩrĩ nĩ rĩa kũhinyĩrĩria icigo imwe cia bũrũri iria itarĩ na ũtonga ũyũ. Ihinda-inĩ rĩu nĩ mokereire rĩendekithia rĩa ũheani wa marũa ma wenji wa mahiga ma goro thĩinĩ wa nyanjara cia nyamũ.
Without consultation of everyone, then we create a loophole.
On wildlife economy, the bill introduces a significant shift in wildlife policy, which also expands permissible uses of wildlife to include both consumptive and non-consumptive utilization. This includes things like wildlife farming, harvesting from the wild, biotrade, and live sales. We're quite worried.
Wildlife bill at the moment is addressing that issue. It's not giving us progress in terms of making sure that the community have a sort of a relief. We want to see a situation where we are not just investing money in terms of paying the victims alone.
Splitting this organization, it means we are opening up a door of many issues. And we've seen in the draft bill here, their duties have been split. In fact, it's like killing the Kenya Wildlife Service soft. There's a song that we used to sing called Kill Me Soft.
I think the clause of people asking.
Tuthie kaunti-inĩ ya Kilifi. Ndarasha ya Sabaki ĩrĩa sub-county-inĩ ya Magarini county-inĩ ya Kilifi ĩrĩ hatĩka-inĩ ya gũtuĩka thũ wa maĩ kuma rũĩ-inĩ rwa Sabaki kuna na gũcũngĩrĩria ituĩka rĩa tĩri hakuhĩ na ndarasha ĩno. Aikari hamwe na atwarithia ngari nĩ morĩtie thirikari ĩhĩke mĩhang'o-inĩ ya kũmĩthondeka kuona ĩkoretwo ĩkĩhũthĩrwo nĩ makĩria ma ngari 10,000 oro mũthenya.
Kuna hatari hapa bridge ya Sabaki ambayo kuna mitaro ambayo imejitokeza, mipasuko, ambapo tuna wasiwasi kwamba huenda labda hii barabara ikakatika kama maji yatakuwa yanazidi kuingia kutoka bara yakiingia huku baharini. Ni mahali ambapo ndio kivukio cha pekee, na wakaazi wa hapa kwa niaba yao nasema ya kwamba tuna wasiwasi kwa sababu ni kitu ambayo imeanza, iko na karibu wiki moja tangu huo mpasuko uanze, na kadri huo mpasuko ulivyo unaendelea kuongezeka, na ni mahali ambapo bahari ni kama ilikuwa mto wa Sabaki ni kama ulikuwa umezibwa kwa sababu ya kujenga hii daraja.
Kuna janga ambalo linaendelea hapa, lakini halijaanza leo wala jana. Tuseme karibu mwaka mmoja hivi umeisha. Ilianza mambo ya maji, mvua huko juu bara, yalipoanza kuteremuka kutoka milimani kuelekea mto Sabaki, mahali ambao unaingilia Indian Ocean. Kwa hofu kubwa sana kwangu ni hiyo kando na bridge, lakini hiyo barabara kukatika. Barabara wakati wote, manake ilianza juzi, crack ndogo ndogo, jana ndo mahali imefikia.
Naguo bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ ũthing'ĩrĩirie gũkorwo na mũgambo thĩinĩ wa kanjũ ya ũgitĩri ya UN. Minister mũnene ũrĩa nowe minister wa maũndũ ma nja Musalia Mudavadi thĩinĩ wa ira nĩranyitanĩire na atongoria gĩa gĩtarũ kĩa Africa kĩgomano-inĩ kĩa 13 gĩa kamĩtĩ ya ũrũmwe wa Africa bũrũri-inĩ wa Zambia, kũrĩa arathing'ĩrĩirie kũgĩe na ũnyitanĩri nĩguo Africa yone gĩturwa gĩkĩ negĩe na mũrũgamĩrĩri thĩinĩ wa UN Security Council.
Affairs, peace and security. Round of
all the processes, starting from the conversation with our permanent representatives, both within the AU and the United Nations, then moving forward to the ministerial segment. We have come to a successful conclusion on what are the next steps and what we ought to do, particularly bearing in mind that this issue has been on the agenda for a long time. For 20 years now, we continue to have this conversation. And yet this year, the United Nations was celebrating its 80th anniversary. And the whole process of reform still continues to linger on. The first round when they incorporated members to the Permanent Security Council was at the very beginning. Then in the 60s, they made some adjustment. Africa was left out. And to this date, Africa has not had any representative within the United Nations Security Council on a permanent basis.
Na rĩu tũmũrĩke icera rĩa mũnini wa president kaunti-inĩ ya Kitui, kũrĩa mũnini wa mũtongoria wa bũrũri Professor Kithure Kindiki orĩtie aikari ya Kitui matigetĩkĩre kũingĩria ũteti-inĩ wa ũkabira na wa kũhakana ndoro. Akĩaria kaunti-inĩ ya Kitui, Kindiki augĩte ũteti wa mũthemba ũyũ nĩ mũhĩtũke nĩ mahinda, na rĩu nĩ ihinda rĩa thirikari gũtungatĩra mũingĩ na gũkinyanĩria tabarĩra iria meranĩire. Reke tũthikĩrĩrie.
Watu wetu wa Ukambani kuingia katika siasa ya ujinga na ya bure na ya kuongea tu kusukumana na maneno ya kelele na vita. Kwa sababu siasa ni mashindano ya uongozi, sio vita. Kwa sababu siasa kila kiongozi anakuja anauza sera. Wananchi wale wengi wakimkubalia kama vile mlikubalia Nimrod, anaendelea. Ule hajapata leo anangojea labda siku ingine Mungu atamjalia. Simple and clear, isn't it? Kwani ni vita jameni? Sio vita. Kwa hivyo mimi naomba tuheshimiane. Kuna viongozi wanatembea kila mahali wakitukana viongozi, wakitukana wananchi, wakipiganisha nchi, wakiongea mambo ya hatari na kuleta mambo ya wasiwasi baina ya wananchi. I want to assure you as the Deputy President of Kenya, God loves Kenya so much, and the government will do whatever it is to make sure our country is stable and safe today, tomorrow, and forever. Musiwe na wasiwasi. Ati huku naweza kuwa sijui na machafuko. We cannot allow. Mungu hawezi kubali kwa sababu anapenda Kenya. Na serikali pia haiwezi kubali. Ile uhuru iko ni uhuru ya watu kutafuta viti, hiyo ni sawa sawa. Moja akuje ajieleze. Kesho yake mwingine akuje ajieleze. Ule atapata ashukuru Mungu. Ule atakosa angoje. Ama namna gani watu yangu ya Kitui? Mungetaka tukae na amani katika nchi yetu. Tupige siasa ya kuheshimiana. Ndio unaona mimi sinanga mambo mengi. Mimi tu ni mtu ya kufanya kazi ile Mungu amenipatia saa hii. Kwa sababu mambo ya kesho hakuna mtu anajua mambo ya kesho. Na hatutaki hii vurugu ya kusukuma na viongozi kuchemsha wananchi paka kunakuwa na hasira, hamaki ya bure. Na mwenye kupiganisha watu hakuna kitu ati amewafanyia, ya muhimu siku ile amekuwa kiongozi. Mimi nimekuambia ile tumejaribu mpaka saa hii na ile tunaendelea nayo. Wengine pia wakuja waseme ile wamefanya. Na mimi nikiwa hapa naongea hivyo kwa sababu kama nilivyosema hapa ni nyumbani. Hakuna mtu anaweza nichokoza hapa. Kuna mtu ananichokoza hapa kweli? So na tuko na heshima na wale viongozi wameongea vizuri na wale hawajaongea waongee pia vizuri na wasitukane viongozi wengine. Hii ni nyumbani, hapa ni nyumbani kwa Deputy President. Niko katika county jirani. Si ni kweli? Hata ndugu yangu Kalonzo wakati anakujanga huko Tharaka na Meru anasemanga is at home. Na ni kweli. Si ni kweli? Si huko ni kwao? Si hata mimi hapa ni kwetu. Na ile maneno imebaki pale ya kushikanisha Kitui County na Tharaka Nithi. Ile ndugu yangu mkubwa alishindwa, mimi nitamsaidia kukamilisha hiyo kazi. Ni rafiki yangu sana na mwezi sana. Kwa sababu we are one community. Ama namna gani jameni?
Na ripoti ya munini wa president ari county-ini ya Kitui niho gwikirira gaturumo mohoro maito ma miaraho ya umuthi ni ajitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u na tumana nyabra wa mushathini wa metha ya utauri handu-ini ha timu yothe ria yakinyanirio memerekia uyu na kuri we mwirori wa Kameme TV woe ihinda riaku gukorwo gitwirorera gĩa na muthenya mwega tucemanie mohoro-ini maria mekurumirira.
Kameme TV, muthegi wa rũrĩrĩ. Kenya nĩ bũrũri mũrathime na ũtonga wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie. No ciĩko cia andũ magĩetha mĩaramano nĩguo kwagĩrithia mĩtũrĩre yao nĩ ĩmwe ya mĩhĩnga mĩnene ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgĩthũkangia ũtonga ũyũ.
Tũhandaga mweri wa 10 kuma mweri 15 mbura ĩkoragwo yurĩte no thaa ici gũtirĩ mbura. Rĩu na tũgakinya bandũ tũkeuria atĩrĩrĩ kana mama mwathani nĩ kanga yũrakarĩte nĩ ithuĩ.
Nyitanagĩra na Gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ wa mũthenya wa Jumamothi thaa 3 cia hwaĩ-inĩ agĩkũrehera maingĩ megiĩ ũtonga ũyũ.
Ndinogo ici irarĩa igatiga gũtarĩ na mũcere.
Na cio mbĩa-rĩ cioka gũkũ mũcere-inĩ gũkena mũnyamũ nĩ mbicũri.
Ũrĩa ũrabatara kũramatwo na kũgacĩrithia